Learning is a continuous process and can be pursued in multiple ways. Here are Mike and Michelle, two music enthusiasts, learning to play the guitar. Mike takes a traditional path. He religiously studies and practices the rules and formats taught to him. He applies the skills he has learned and uses the rules that he has been taught to write a piece of music. It is a decent piece, but is uninspired, it lacks creativity, and sounds a bit like a practice exercise. Michelle decides to take what we call the 3C approach. She picks one of her favorite songs and breaks it down to intro, verse, chorus, bridge, solo, and outro. She then learns each part of the song, aware of what the artist has done in each section, first by itself, and then puts them together to form the whole. The result is a piece of music far superior to what Mike wrote. Now, let's see how it goes if we apply the same philosophy to learning data science and analytics. On day 1, our learners will be presented with a big problem that our client wants us to help them solve, and a set of questions that our client would like to answer. Taking an analytical problem-solving approach, they break down the big problem into smaller pieces, using techniques like Fractal's AED dimension approach. They now attack each piece and see what approach works best to solve it. This allows them to focus on the details of a small piece of the problem at a time. Retain the context in which each small piece exists, the larger problem as a whole. Understand how the different pieces connect or relate to each other. Use a bit of innovation and express their creativity within each small part of the solution. Put all these parts together to build the whole. This lets them build a solution that is qualitatively better than the one they would have built using the traditional approach. This leads to superior solutions in data science, as in music.